Alright, here it is. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max Pro phone scope case. It's got the 4 rubber bumpers in the corners along with the foam strips along the back of the case. Let me just pop the phone out and we will show you those. Just take one corner at a time. There you go. So there's those open cell foam strips I was referring to. That keeps the phone floating. It's a free floating case design. So to install, just slide your phone to the top there, and with these newer cases, just come down to the bottom, and these will get a memory to them over time. But as you can see, sometimes they'll pull down out of there. What you can do is just take some super glue or some epoxy, and if that's a problem, just put a little bit there and that will hold that in place. But all you really have to do is just press on the back of it, press on the back of this here, and so just push that up and the phone's inside the rubber bumper. On this side, same thing. So I'll just press on the phone here, and then just as you're pushing on the back of the bumper here, push on that, and then just peel this with your finger. Just push it forward and it will come over the phone, securing it in the phone scope case. So there it is, the iPhone 12 Pro Max